Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module, we're doing our last big topic for the semester, which is formal commands. Even if you've breezed through the rest of this course, I really urge you to stop and look at the materials for this module very closely. This is a topic that we're doing this module is formal commands, which is not a topic that's usually in Spanish 1 or 2. It's usually a more advanced topic. But we really need this because this is what you would use to talk to patients, like in a respectful way to say like, please wait here, please come here, put your arm here for blood pressure. Even if you grew up speaking Spanish at home, you might be used to using all the informal forms, all the informal commands. But again, with patients, especially with older patients, we really want to work on using those formal commands so they can feel respected. So please start going through the materials early. Please email me if you have any questions. Another thing is that Google Translate cannot handle this topic. So if you put a command into Google Translate, it will automatically give you the informal command. So even if you've been getting away with doing Google Translate for other things, it will not work for this module. So please make sure, go through the materials and just email me if you have any questions. I can go over the formula with you. It's a formula. So there's another video to watch also about why it's important to use the formal commands, like why students might feel why patients might feel disrespected if you don't. And again, we still have the information here about the final project. Once we're done with this topic of formal commands, you can start working on your scripts because this is the last topic that needs to be in the final project. And you do need to have formal commands in the final project. So formal commands is going to be modules 12, modules 13, and also the in the final project. So we definitely need that. Okay. Email me if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.